Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear Demon Slayer cache. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on Apps. Now select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Demon Slayer and perform your search. Tap on the game. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find Clear Data option. Tap on it. And then tap on Clear Cache option. If you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can clear Demon Slayer cache. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.